In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save player data in Roblox Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage player data in Roblox Studio and how to properly save all of that data. This way, every single future time that a player joins, that data will still be the same from the last time. So what you have to do is first go into File, Game Settings, and in here under Security, make sure that this option is enabled. Enable Studio Access to API Services. Enable this, make sure that you save the changes, and now under your leader stats or leaderboard script, create a new script. Now, this script is going to be related to the player data. What you have to do is gather a specific script from the official website. So look for this article on the official Roblox Creator Hub, Save Data. When you go to this article, scroll all the way down and copy the entirety of this code here. Read and save character position. So just click on this copy icon or select it all. And once you have all of this copied, you can paste it inside of this script. You can name it whatever you wish, and as long as this script is applied into leader stats or leaderboard, you are good to go. The leaderboard will retain its positions and it will be saved across all players. If you are curious to read on how this works and what you can do with this function, access this website and you will see everything available here. Basically, they go part by part, so you can choose between only saving the data, reading the data, and then of course the full project at the end, which is what we used. So all that you have to do is create a script within service script service, and you can name it whatever you wish, like player data. And once you add this script, you are good to go, and everything will be retained once people join the experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to sync player data in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.